I am using this infusion set to regulate the pH of my tomato reservoir. This set was given me by very kind nurses in an Italian hospital, and they were so kind to give me a sterilized set, actually a bag with many of them. How the system works? Well, you have the first part, which has a needle, a cap. I remove the cap, and then you see a needle. Actually, this needle should go into the infusion bottle. I don't have an infusion bottle, I have a tank. I think a 20 or 30 liters tank, approximately maybe 8-gallon tank, I think. From here you can see the flow rate, so you can count how many drops per second the system is delivering to the reservoir. Below you have the regulator, which is this blue ball. The higher the position of the blue ball is, the higher the flow. The lower the position, the lower the flow. This system is very reliable and is very easy to control. At the end of the pipe there is a device. I don't know the name, neither in English nor in Italian. I think this is the part of the system which goes to the needle of the patient. We don't have the patient, we just have a reservoir, so actually we can keep this, or we can even cut the pipe in this position. There is no problem in cutting here. I left this actually, but you can cut it here. Let's see how I set the system up. If you remember, this is my tank, my infusion tank. Here I have the low pH solution which I want to deliver to the tomato reservoir. I made a small hole, as you can see, and this is the first part of the system. Here you can control how many drops of solution you deliver to the system. Actually there is one drop maybe every 5-6 seconds. Okay, you can regulate the system by doing so. If you want to stop the flow, you just push it below. You see, there is no flow now. If you want to increase the flow, see, you can play, you can go even higher, and this is a continuous flow. But let's go to this situation. You can see the same flow rate that you see on top, you can see it right now. Now let's put it back to one drop every 5 seconds. Okay, I think this is more or less one drop every 5-6 seconds. Okay, what is important is the technical specification of the system. As you can read, the system delivers drops, and 20 drops are equal to 1 milliliter of solution plus minus 0.1. That means plus minus 10%. So we have a 10% margin of error on the system, which is, I think, pretty good for us. If you want to see how I design the system and the data, I can please read downstairs in the text below. You will find an example so that you can make your own system as well, if you like it, of course. Thank you very much for the attention. and of course happy growing. See you next time. Bye bye.